What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting and much interesting video here on the channel. So this one particularly, it's about Tiwa Savage and his top billionaire friends who paid a visit as he laid his father to rest today. They were there at the funeral that took place at Federal Palace Hotel in Lagos, Nigeria, and we had the likes of Don Jazzy, we have the likes of Cubana, Chief Priest, and a whole lot of others. Top Nollywood actress Toke Makinwa, Tony Abraham, and the rest of others were also present at the event. That's what we're doing here on the video. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment in the comment section. Anyway, guys, we all know that Tiwa Savage was one of the biggest entertainer in the Melvin record. In fact, she was the first lady of Melvin record before she left, and that was why Don Jazzy appearance in this video is not actually surprising, because till next tomorrow, Tiwa Savage is still like a daughter to Don Jazzy. Enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe.
We outside but take a vibes. All of us, we are the same as should be this night too. But our shoe, our bag, our wristwatch, our jewelries, and I differentiate everybody. So it's in their pocket.
Is a highlight from the church service and the presentation of the corpse, blessing of the corpse in the church before he was finally laid to rest. Tiwa Savage was actually seen in a very loving mode, very happy mode all throughout the day, which is something everyone can emulate. It's not always time when we bury our loved ones that we should mourn, though it's painful, most especially if they die premature. But with the joy on her face, I think the father lived a fulfilling life that is worth celebrating, and that was why she did not really feel the father absence as he was being laid. Anyway, without saying much, take you guys to the video, the church ceremony, and as the reception. The funeral looks very like, I won't use the word entertaining, but it was a complete time when people showed love to Tiwa Savage for her blessing the Nigerian entertainment with good music all this while. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, share, comment in the comment section, visit our blog at Lion Mark TV. See you guys on my next